right, it's literally day one at the Freedom Factory today, and we got the whole flipping tour. We got the shop tour. We saw literally every single cool vehicle you'd ever would see: ripsaws, mini boats, mullet, everything. And now I want to we just got back to the house where we have been nonstop belly laughing about this, but I want to get the whole team's input on what their favorite part of the day was, because it was flipping cool. Like, everything we did was just cool, and it's kind of hard to pick a favorite. So, TJ, I know what your favorite part was. That's a no-brainer, but what was it?
The drift car by far. I didn't even know we were jumping into the Freedom Factory.
You literally jumped into the Freedom Factory.
Yeah, I did not know that was coming. Well, I kind of realized what was happening as we backed up and then dumped the clutch. But
do you think he knew what was he sent it a little harder than he thought?
Yeah, well, I think he had his intentions. I just don't think he meant to hit it that hard and jump almost all the way across the track. But
right on. Sounds so good. Holy hell, I've never seen him do that, I don't think. Oh my god. Yep.
It'll beat the fender to death.
Hell yeah, buddy. That was fucking awesome.
That was fun.
All right, who else? What was everybody's favorite part?
TJ getting out of the drift car?
We brought you an extra pair of pants.
That was fucking awesome.
Yeah, that was one way to get onto the track.
That was the shit. That was awesome.
I don't think I've ever seen that before. Holy crap.
That was awesome. We caught some good air.
Yeah, we saw it.
I felt it. That was awesome.
Dude, that's guy in the sun. I'm like, I've never seen that before. Is that normal or?
It's like jet boating and racing in one. You know, a little
Yeah.
bit of drift, a little bit of crashing. You know, I think they were in the car. Yeah, they're fine.
True. Yeah.
Riding in the car with Cletus when we all went around the track and riding in that was amazing. I picked the wrong side of the car to be on.
So what Keith was telling, so they were gonna give us, or he's gonna give us some Crown Vics. So he brought out 2 Crown Vics, and we put a driver passenger in each one. And he wanted to take us out, like, what did we fit? 4 of us in there to show us the line and kind of give us, well, 5 total, like yeah. So he wanted to show us the lines to take and what not to take and kind of how not to wreck the cars and everything. So we fit 5 of us in the car, and Keith chose the outside seat in the back seat, and he was smashed against the back of it. Like,
It was awesome. It was epic. And it scared me, and I was like, no, I'm not driving.
Rules are, for anyone who's riding or whatever, you guys can't haul ass over this hill because it's totally blind on the other side. So if you're coming off, just get on the high line and slow down, and then just pull all the way off. We'll change out drivers up here. And then if you're losing control, don't go right. Because if, like, for some reason, if the back end's way out and you go right, and then it hooks back up, you're going to go right up into the wall. So you're better off, you're going to spin out and ride it down. Ride it downhill. And no more than 2 people at once we get going. So just driver and passenger. Both have to have helmets. Already now. Alright, so you'll always be in 2 while you're out here.
Okay.
okay.
Otherwise it'll just shift a bunch. They actually get going pretty good around this. You gotta go up high.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be going this fast, or are we?
The track's dirty right now too.
I sat on the wrong side.
There it is. It's pretty nice on this
Up
side.
high and then you come in down low.
No,
And then you go back up high. So try not to come like right here and then start driving down towards the center.
Right.
Like really try and have a late apex.
Okay.
And I mean, you can basically take any line on this track and it'll be about the same speed. The track's dirty right now, which kind of sucks. But like I try to stay up and out here as long as I can, and then I come down. Kind of just reduce that turn radius you gotta make. And then just get back on the throttle.
Oh, I felt that apex. That was a good apex.
So like right out here,
Feel it.
you get on the brakes, and then dive her down here. All right.
How'd you do
it's
against
just
that window over
Two
there?
people max.
Yeah.
But I rode with TJ obviously and Dustin. It was awesome.
Okay, so there was well, not wrecks, but I almost hit the wall once. I did what I wasn't supposed to do. We had 2 spin outs. So let's talk about those really quick.
3 spin outs.
What?
Or, yeah, never mind.
Mine didn't spin out. I caught it. I wasn't supposed to catch it, but I caught it.
Nicole's was a 360.
Well, let's talk about Nicole's. So they were the last ones to go, and unfortunately, we didn't have a GoPro on them because just hearing these 2 talk about their experience when they got out of the car was flipping hilarious. So Noelle, when you got in the car and you said, "Are we gonna
go slow?"
No, you're in a Crown Vic with a helmet on at the Freedom Factory. Of course you're not going to go slow. And Nicole doesn't really know slow.
That's absolutely true. Which I
And-
now learned.
I thought that we were gonna maybe go a little slower than we did.
She literally passed Christian on lap 1. Like she got in and just hammered down, and we're like, okay, yeah. Like
When
she.
I put my foot all the way down, I was just like, we're just gonna keep it there.
She goes, if it makes you feel any better, we had a floor, we couldn't go any faster.
So they're hauling out, they're smoking around the track. They passed Christian, and we're like, yeah, she's killing it. She's getting in some pretty good times. And then what happened?
And then I came around this corner and I overcorrected a little
And
too
she
much
said,
and just started.
whoops.
Yeah. And then we just started spinning, and I was like, well, I guess we're just gonna keep it going. So I just cranked the wheel.
And I think we caught that on film, so we show that. But did you tell him how many times you've wrecked cars?
No, that's why I didn't want to drive, but everyone says I should, and I'm like,
She's going for the pass on lap 1. She literally got him on lap 1. Oh shit. All right, we're done. Let's go, we're done. All right, we're bringing them in before we pay for anything.
Are you glad you did it now?
Not as much grip
no, I'll
as
feed
your
a
boat.
little.
Yeah, it doesn't turn like the boat, does it?
No. I fucked that one corner pretty bad. Noelle's sitting there the whole time. Nicole Brown! Nicole Brown! Like, do you trust me? I'm like, fuck, I don't know. I was like, you good? She's like, I don't know.
You were the one I was worried about the most.
Why?
Why do you think?
Because I wreck everything.
All your cars.
I wouldn't have put me in that car, honestly.
You don't have the cojones. I mean, my ass end got loose.
Well, if you guys knew how many cars I've told, you wouldn't let me actually drive that thing
You didn't
yourself.
even let me drive that wreck up. I was just hearing stories, so I was like,
That's why I was like, I don't know. And then when I lost it, I was like, here we go. It took so much to get it back to. I'm like, I'm not no, you did great.
Anyway, first day, good, yeah? All right. Well, I don't even know what we're doing tomorrow. Tomorrow is the drag, or test and tune down at the drag strip at Bradenton, so. Yeah, we're still trying to find an alligator out here. We haven't seen one yet. I think it's too cold. But anyway, so we're going to get the stuff uploaded, and we'll catch you on the next couple days.